Hello. This video is about creating a Windows Media installation disk or USB drive. And I was having all kind of problems. My computer over here, it's crashed. And through some of my research, they said you got to get a installation disk from Windows. So I've tried to download this tool, and every time I download it, it says error, error, error. So what I would like to do is try and show you what I did. Hopefully, I'll put a link to the video that directed me, because I'm not going to be able to give you all the information. First of all, they want you to format your USB drive. When you format the drive, I'm not going to format it. I'm just going to show you. You want to go to your folder, go down to your drive here, click on, right click it, and right click on the drive. Okay, it's not working. You want to get into the formatting of the disk. So let's see. Let's minimize that. Go into your folder. Go down to the drive. Right click the drive. Oh, I'm left clicking. Sorry. So when you go to format the disk, you want to change it from the actually, though, he told me to do it here, but I didn't do it here. I forgot to put it to NTFS, so to me that didn't matter. It's an option though. If it doesn't work, you can always format it to NTFS. That's what he was recommending that you do. However, I didn't do that. I formatted it. I forgot to switch it the second time because I tried it. It didn't work. I got another error message. But anyway, that didn't work. But what I did do is, as you can see, I'm putting it on the disk, the USB here, to fix the computer over there. So he had me go into, you can close this, into my search. And I want to say he said go to systems. Or was it services? It was services. Let's see. Yeah. So you want you to go to services. Let's see. Right. And when I went into services, I believe the first one, I don't remember that. I'm gonna put the link, but once I go into services, he wanted me to have it, make sure it said running. I can't remember any of them. I know one was Windows. I'm not sure. I'll have it in the link. However, you may not have to do all this. So this is an option that if you continue to, because I've done this like 4 or 5 different ways and it wasn't loading. So what I think worked more than anything else to me, I think, was this process here where I went into here, right? And when I open this up, yeah, when I push download, it actually downloads. Okay, once it downloads, right, you want to instead of go here, you go to your folder again and go to downloads, right? This is what I did. And if you can see it, I've downloaded it 3 times. I might have downloaded more than 3 times. Yeah, it looked like downloaded 3 times. I went into downloads. right here, and I right clicked on that. No. I right clicked on that, and what he told me to do was he told me to cut it here, right? After you cut it, I probably could just go here after I cut it, go to this drive, which is a new formatted disk, which it won't be any of this information, and then right click on this drive and paste it. See right here where it says paste? So once you paste it, I wish I could show you, but I just made this disk and I am not trying to redo it. Is you paste it onto this drive, the D drive, or whatever is yours. Mine is D. Some people's might be A. And then once it's pasted, you double click. It's only going to be one. It's going to be this one folder, which is in my downloads. This one folder will be in that drive. Then you double click that in your drive and run it. I guess it's a glitch from the website. So you have to send it to you download it to your computer, then paste it onto your USB drive, then run the program from there. Then it worked. I hope y'all understand what I'm saying. I'm going to upload this video and I'm going to put a link to the video that helped me do this. But I hope this helped because I need my computer to be working again. But now that I got the USB drive successful, which let me show you the files that's on it, maybe you can tell. And then it'll automatically, once I install it here on that computer, it should automatically boot from the computer. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to eject this. Eject. All right, so now that I've ejected it, I can put it in my computer over here. All right, and I'm going to probably have to watch a YouTube video from this point. All right, so she's in. Turn it off. I really need to leave here in the next 20 minutes, but I'm gonna start my computer up. Once I get if I get this thing going, I'm not going to leave until I get my computer to work. This will be the first time I've tried. I think I got to go into my default. I don't think it's going to just boot. It looks like it's trying. So no, it didn't boot. So now I'm going to have to check the YouTube video on how to restore from the drive. Because now I still don't know how to use the disk. But now that I got it, I can try and figure out, maybe I can go to my D drive. I don't know why I'm pushing capital. All right, list. So I will change my drive, go to list or, DIR. Here. And let's see. DR list. And then maybe type setup. Or run. Maybe let's try setup first. Setup. Wait, look. It says set up. Enter the language. It says install now. Setup is starting. Uh-oh. I hope that's the proper way to do it. I don't know. Application notice, the license terms. I accept. Next. Which type of installation do you want? Upgrade, install Windows, and keep files, settings, and applications. To the upgrade option isn't available if you started your computer using Windows installation media. If a copy of Windows is already installed on this computer and you want to upgrade, remove and install media and restart your computer after Windows has started normally. Insert the installation media and run the Windows setup. If a copy of Windows is already installed on this computer and you want to upgrade, remove the installation media and restart your computer after the Windows has started normally. So I got that far. However, I guess it's telling me that the disk works. But now I'm going to have to YouTube it. All right. So I think this will work, but I don't want to mess it up. So I'm going to do it later. But there you go, y'all. I'm excited. I got something I got to do, but I just wanted to share that with somebody. Maybe this will get you a little further ahead than I was, a little quicker. Thanks. Bye.